Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today for a cooking show we are going to be making smoked sausage hash. Now what you're going to need for this is 4 potatoes. You're going to use 2 16-ounce packages of smoked sausages, and you can either use get you 2 bell peppers and an onion, but to save myself a little time here, and it's just as good, I'm just going to use a 16-ounce package of already cut up green peppers and onions. That way I get different colors as well. And then you're going to need a tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let's get this going and we're going to enjoy it. Okay, well, we'll be right back here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to need to cut up the potatoes. So let me start getting this set up here, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, first step we're going to do, we're going to take our potatoes and we're just going to dice them up here, and so just like this, and you're going to want these kind of get them in a good cube. So, yeah, you want to cube it up just about like that, as you can see. And a little focus there. Alright. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting these up, and then we'll start doing the cooking and stuff. Okay guys, as you can see, I got the potatoes all cut up here. So we're going to start the cooking here. We're going to need to do is take our tablespoon of butter. We're going to just put that in there. Start getting that melted. So all in there. Get going. And we're going to put in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Get it all. There. Okay, it's all melted. So the next thing we're going to do is just put in our potatoes here. Right there. Alright. Now we're going to let them cook. I'm going to put that over here just to have the heat held in there. So that's a good thing about having the electric frying pan. And we're going to wash our hands for the next thing. And okay. And the next thing we're going to do, as the potatoes are cooking, we're going to start cutting up our sausage here. Now, I'm using the HomeStyle Foods smoked sausage. You gotta always look for the southern flavor. I always look for this black guy's picture on it. It's a good way of finding this one. But this is some really good sausage right here. And hole for the end here. Alright. Put that over there. Yeah. Just cut the lengths here. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do with this, we're just going to want to slice these. Like so. And yeah. You see, this works really well. Careful on getting that last piece there. Alright, then you just set it in the bowl until the potatoes have cooked early. You need about cook the potatoes for about 10 minutes or so beforehand. So, and every once in a while, 10-15 minutes to get the potatoes cooked. Up here. Alright. So we're going to let these cook. We're going to finish cutting these sausages up and we'll be right back with the next step. Okay guys, I got the sausage cut up here. So as you can see, nice good slices there. And we're going to go ahead and open up this bag here of the peppers and onions. We're going to start working on the other parts here. You ready for the rest of this? Yeah, these potatoes look good. Alright. What we're going to do now, oh, these potatoes are looking good. Okay, so we're gonna put in the sausage here, a little bit at a time, get it mixed in. It's already starting to smell good with just the potatoes cooking. Stir it around just a little bit more so we get them good mixed in here. Alright, and the last little bit. Alright, now we're just going to take the bag here and put that in there for the peppers and onions. And work on getting them stirred in here. Now for the rest of this, you're just going to let it cook. Give it a good stir every once in a while. And I'm gonna take a little bit of time here. And put a little bit of salt and pepper in here to taste. Get that mixed in here.
Alright, now we're going to let this cook for about 10-15 minutes, get a good cook. Stir it around every once in a while. And so let it get cooked in here, get good and cooked. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit when this is about ready. And then we'll give it a try and see how it all turned out. Okay guys, what I did here is I continue to let it sit underneath the cover a little bit for about a minute or two. Let it get all built up the heat and cooked good. Now I took it off and been stirring it around for about 10 minutes. And it's all good and ready to go. So, and it smells really good right now. So, what we're going to do here, I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to put some in the bowl. Alright. Make it look really good. So there we go. Alright. We're going to give this a try here. Try to get a bit of everything here. Okay, so here we go. Oh my god. This is good. Loaded flavor. Nice salt, pepper. So, okay guys, this was the smoked sausage hash, and I use the HomeStyle Foods smoked sausage. I always know what to look for when I look to see the picture of the black guy. He was a state senator in Georgia, I think. I can't remember his name, but he decided to share his great recipes for sausage with us, and it's one of my favorite brands of sausage. It's kind of hard to find. I only can find it at the local grocery store here. I've seen it at some other places, but if you happen to find it, I highly recommend it. And that's not paid to say that at all. It's just what I like. And okay guys, well, take time to comment below, and also if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And well guys, I also do I do cooking videos like this. I try to get them out on Saturday, and I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So you guys subscribe so you can get those videos. And now guys, I want you to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to finish up with this here.